In this video, we will talk about how to fix this disk is write protected. Method 1. Diskpart. First, you need to know about your disk. For that, click on File Explorer, then this PC. Here you can see about your pen drive. On this pen drive, I have 117 gigabytes of space. Now, click in Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type Diskpart. Press Enter. Then List Disk. Press Enter. Here, you can see your disk of 117 gigabytes. Type Select Disk 1. Press Enter. Then Attributes, Disk, Clear, Read Only, and press Enter. Now type Exit and close it. After this, try copying files to different disk or formatting it. Method 2. Registry Editor. Click in Search. Type regedit. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Here, you have to be in this location. I have mentioned it in the description. If you find storage device policies in here, then select it. If you don't see the folder, then right-click on Control and hover to New. Click on Key. Name it Storage Device Policies. Now on the right side, right-click and hover to New. Click on DWORD 32-bit. Name it Write Protect. Set the value to 0 and click on OK. Then click on Windows icon and restart your PC. If none of these work, your USB flash drive may be damaged or locked by firmware. So that's how you can fix this disk is write protected. See you in the next video.